What's going on, sled addicts? Jesse coming to you. It is Saturday, September 18th, and start of fall almost, and we got the email this week that the sleds have arrived. So Mike picked up his 850 XRS this morning. I'm picking up mine this afternoon. Hope you guys all had a great summer. We're just en route. I got the trailer with me, and we are en route to Royal Distributing to get some studs and some parts that I need, and then up to St Onge, one of the best dealers in the city, or in the province rather, and we're gonna pick up the sled. I'm gonna take it to the cottage tomorrow and add all the stuff to it, and I'm meeting actually the buyer for my old one. He's gonna come in with me, pay for my old one, take it. I'm gonna take the new one, put it in the trailer, and head home. Yesterday, me and Mike both got the privilege of picking up our 850 2022 Renegade XRSs, and I've taken the liberty today to install all the accessories and get it all ready for the season, so I wanted to give you guys a first look. So just to give you guys a rundown on what I've installed so far, I've installed the low windshield with the glove box extension with GPS support that I wired into the solenoid like I usually do. I installed the extension for the forward adjustable riser and the handlebar pad. Also the E-Link, which I got installed at the dealership. My trail seat bag, jerry can, and Link sport bag. Also got the dealership to install the radiator protector. And then another thing that was awesome this year is that Skidoo is actually giving link brackets with all their sleds. So all sleds will come with link brackets this year. I also spent majority of my day installing 96 Stud Boy PowerPoint Plus studs with the Superlight Pro Plus Series backers like I usually run. This year I'm choosing to do 96 because I feel like I'm going to use 96 and then do a 6-inch shaper triple points, the Bergstroms that Mike was using last season, and we're going to see if that's better. And if not, I can always just add more studs to make it 144. I also added a bunch of the Sled Addicts decals because it is a Sled Addict sled after all. And that's about it. Anyways, guys, we will be releasing more and more videos as the season approaches with us getting ready, and we hope you guys are hyped and cannot wait for season 2022. If you liked that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sled Addicts YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiles. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.